Welcome to this video on melatonin, unlocking better sleep and well-being. We'll cover everything you need to know about the body's natural sleep hormone, from how it works to whether supplementing is right for you. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness series. Before considering a supplement, let's understand what melatonin is, where it comes from, and its powerful role in syncing your body with the natural world. This is Chapter 1, the body's natural sleep signal. Melatonin is produced by the pineal gland in the brain and is stimulated by darkness. It's the master of your sleep cycle, regulating your circadian rhythm, the 24-hour internal clock that dictates when you feel sleepy or alert. The circadian rhythm follows a precise schedule. Melatonin levels rise sharply in the evening, peak at night around midnight to 2 a.m., and rapidly decline in the early morning. Disruptions like screen time or shift work can delay this natural rhythm. This diagram illustrates the 24-hour cycle. Low levels during the bright light phase transition to rising levels at 6 p.m., peak levels at 10 p.m., and a gradual decline until 6 a.m. Disrupting this ebb and flow can affect your sleep and health. Chapter 2 explores melatonin as a supplement. We'll examine the science behind these popular sleep aids, how they work, and their potential benefits for your health. Most people take melatonin for sleep disorders like insomnia, jet lag, and shift work disorder. Emerging research also suggests potential benefits for seasonal affective disorder, eye health, and even GERD relief, leveraging its antioxidant and regulatory properties. The primary benefits of melatonin for sleep are research-backed. It supports better sleep quality and reduces sleep latency, the time it takes to fall asleep, by 7 to 12 minutes on average. Sustained-release formulations may also help people stay asleep throughout the night. Beyond sleep, melatonin offers emerging benefits. It may help with seasonal affective disorder by stabilizing mood, and its antioxidant properties are being explored for eye health. Intriguingly, it might also ease acid reflux symptoms by regulating stomach acid. Without proper melatonin signaling, you may experience restless nights. With appropriately timed melatonin, through habit adjustments or supplementation, people often enjoy faster sleep onset, fewer night wakings, and a more peaceful, restorative slumber. Chapter 3 focuses on safety first, understanding the risks. While melatonin is considered a gentler supplement, natural doesn't mean risk-free. It's important to understand the guidelines before regular use. For most healthy adults, melatonin is safe for short-term use at low doses, typically 0.5 milligrams to 5 milligrams, with rare side effects. However, remember the critical caveat. In the US, it's a dietary supplement, not a drug, meaning manufacturers aren't required to prove safety or purity. Practical guidance suggests starting low, with the lowest effective dose, as less is often more. Timing is everything, so take it 30 to 60 minutes before your intended bedtime. Use it as a short-term aid, and choose quality products with third-party certification.